going to Universal Studios Islands of Adventure, and we are going to attempt to get on the ride without getting caught doing a POV. Problem is with Universal Studios, they're very strict with doing any videos on rides. So if you do get caught, they're probably going to take away the camera or just ask you to put it into the locker and then give it back to you at the end of the day. But today I'll show you how to hide the camera. By the way, this is a GoPro 10. So we're going to hide it underneath some clothing, and we're going to have a chest strap. I'll show you right now. Alright, so as you can see, I have the chest strap on and I have the shirt. Use a button down shirt, and then once you get that on, what you do is you take out the prongs here on the bottom. You got two of them. Then you attach it to here. After that, you button it down, you close it, cover it up. It is gonna bulge out a bit, so once you get on the ride, what you do is kind of act like you're an old person. You know, you kind of like crouch a little bit, act like you have like stomach pain or something. That worked out for me when I did it in when I went on Big Apple Coaster in Las Vegas, and I didn't get caught, so that was great. You know, they did have cameras, but they probably didn't care or just didn't say anything, which was pretty cool. So we're gonna see if this works out. I'm gonna update you guys, and if it does, I guess you can test it out for yourselves. Before we continue with this video, a message from our sponsor. Social media always bans your content. Are you tired of censorship? Because we are. And here's the greatest solution. Just check it out. There you can win your absolute freedom because of full censorship absence. Moreover, just pay attention to these key features: subscription fees plus tips plus PPV, marketing tools, affiliate program, campaign analysis, ownership of your fan base, e-commerce, and content protection. Increase your income with the content that you post. Maximize your profit with our solutions. We provide all tools so you can now monitor, analyze, and monetize the activity of your fans and of your income on a daily basis. You can easily earn and receive your income. No more headaches from completing forms and waiting months to receive your earnings. On our platform, you have a large variety of payment solutions. You can choose the traditional ones, or you can use Bitcoin to receive your money at any time and any place. We provide you with very easy to use tools in order to build your brand by increasing the exposure of you and your account to fans that have not yet had contact with you. Create unique relationships with your fans and develop more engaged, friendly communities. We give you full access to what is yours. Anytime you can see and save list of fans and even export it. This is why you should join now. Their Telegram group, which launches on November 11th. And now, back to Universal Studios. We just made it to Universal Studios Islands of Adventure, and we're gonna put this baby out to the test. If you can see it, we got it underneath, and we paid about $150 each in advance to get into the park. So see if it works out. All right, we'll be taking this for the rest of the journey, riding it around. You want to do a picture, right?
Yeah, I would.
All right, do a sexy pose.
Oh, a sexy pose? How is it? Like this?
Yeah, that's good. Alright, so it was a fail. They didn't let me on with the camera. I didn't expect them to have metal detectors. It's kind of like an airport. And they just scanned it, and they asked me if I have a GoPro, and I said, yeah, I do. So I had to leave everything in a locker. And all the lockers here are actually free, so that wasn't a problem. I'm going to try to get on with the camera on another ride. Maybe they don't have metal detectors on those, so we'll find out. But the Incredible Hulk coaster was amazing. I loved it. It wasn't scary, it was just really smooth and enjoyable. Look, you can't sit there. So we just got off the Spider-Man 3D ride. It's more like a 4D ride because you get some water and fire. I got a video on that one. They don't check anything on that, so that's worked out. And she loved it. She loves all the rides so far. So.
3, 2, 1, go. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? It's gonna be 8 or 9, 9 or 8. Is it gonna be the Green Bay or the drama Green Bay? Who's gonna be our final close champion? Number 8 by a hair.
I won.
Congratulations, number 8. You are our top close champion. You got your prize up here on the podium.
And the winner is...
Emmanuel!
Yeah.
But Jennifer at the end.
Well, yeah. I won it for her though, so. How cute. Now you have something to cuddle with at night.
Now I see you and me till the end of time. I will go wherever you go, lay wherever you lay your head, breathe the air that you breathe, live the way that you want to live.
Alright, we got fully soaked on that, what is the ride called again? I don't even know, but we got super wet. Look at that, it's a water ride. Over there. I didn't think we were gonna get that wet, so. But the last drop, you get completely soaked. Tired already?
No.
Wait, did this thing get wet? This
No,
thing is full.
no.
How did that not get wet?
I hit them.
Smart.
I protected him.
Oh. So that's the biggest drop right there, the last one.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was awesome though. I enjoyed it.
Yeah, but the thing is that this works.
After all those water rides, they give you something called a people dryer, and it's really warm in here. It feels like 100 degrees. It's really hot. By the way, that people dryer barely worked. We're still really wet. It dried us up about 30% maybe. If anything, it was just relaxing. All right. We're getting excited for the next roller coaster. I think it's called the Velocicoaster. I'm not sure if it's this one. It's all black. Check it out. All right, we just got off the Velocicoaster. It's the newest roller coaster here at Universal Studios, and it was the best roller coaster I've ever went on. She loved it too. It was just awesome.
Go wherever you go, lay wherever you lay your head, breathe the air that you breathe. Home is anywhere as long as you're with me.
Today, super tired. We just got off the Harry Potter Hogwarts roller coaster. It was a lot of fun.
And I wanted to do Velocicoaster
And she wanted to
again.
do the Velocicoaster again because she loved it, and so did I, but I'm so tired. So,
Oldie.
said I'm old. I'm getting old.
I'm not. I'm getting
Anyway,
younger.
we're probably gonna go on the whole coaster again though.
Yeah.
So.
We are going. No, probably.
Yeah. Then after that, we might go to City Walk. It's an area in owned by Universal Studios where they have restaurants and stores, and we're just gonna walk around, explore the place, maybe have some dinner. Other than that, we're gonna call it a night afterwards, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.